Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy the Nerdy Gaming Cuber. Today we're gonna be drawing Vegeta for $2. So you just need a pencil and a pen, basically, and eraser and paper. But that's basically it. So yeah guys, make sure to drop a like, make sure to subscribe and become part of the pandas, because you guys know you guys want to be a part of the pandas, right? You guys want to be a part of the fantasy. Okay, but seriously though, make sure to subscribe, and yeah guys, that's basically it. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Sound asleep. Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I, jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away.
I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we can be true, we can be true. I want you to see what I see in us, something so real, something so real. I want you to see that this is a love that we both feel.